Unit 5, IT Careers. BA, Business Analyst. A position responsible for the interpretation of business rules and delivering them to technical systems.
A business analyst spends a lot of time gathering relevant business requirements in the initial stages of an IT project.
CIO, Chief Information Officer. An executive position responsible for internal processes and practices, normally has a stronger business administration background than technical background.
The CIO's work is often quite varied, ranging from managing a company's IT budget to overseeing staff outsourcing.
CTO, Chief Technical Officer. An executive position responsible for all scientific and technological issues related to a company, normally has a strong technical and somewhat less strong management background.
The CEO decided to fire the CTO after the company's IT department lost a year of financial records due to poor backup procedures.
DBA, Database Administrator. A person in charge of managing and maintaining relational databases and their access rights.
The requirements for the DBA job position were advanced SQL, performance tuning, and disaster recovery for Oracle systems.
Database Developer. A position responsible for programming and optimizing databases.
The database developer spent 3 months refactoring the company database to obtain third normal form.
Enterprise Architect. A high-level position responsible for understanding a business's overall needs and then designing an IT structure to support it.
The firm hired an enterprise architect to oversee the development of the new software platform.
Graphic Designer. A position responsible for the creation of images, typography, mock-ups for an organization's front-end systems, normally works under a company art director.
The graphic designer had an iMac with a 27-inch screen, a graphics tablet instead of a mouse, and the latest version of Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop software.
Information Architect. A position responsible for making complex data structures easy to understand and navigate. Especially critical at the beginning of new software development projects to ensure the application performs in a useful way for its intended end users.
The information architect came prepared to the meeting with some wireframes and a glossary of target vocabulary for the project.
IT Manager. A job position acting as a bridge between upper management and IT, one who encourages personal development in IT staff, the boss of an IT worker.
The IT manager said the new junior developer's attitude was unacceptable.
IT Security Manager. A position responsible for setting best practices for securing Wi-Fi networks, servers, backups, laptops, and VPNs.
The IT security manager ran a password cracker on his own network users to sniff out weak passwords.
IT Support Engineer. A position responsible for on-demand support for end users, including fixing hardware, installing software, and troubleshooting minor network issues.
An IT support engineer must be able to troubleshoot and fix almost any hardware, software, or network problem that can affect an end user's PC.
Network Administrator. A position responsible for maintenance of all aspects of a computer network, often a specialist in TCP, IP, Linux, and related routing technology such as Cisco.
The network is down is a phrase a good network administrator never wants to hear.
PM Project Manager. A position responsible for organizing and delivering a project on time and on budget, often acts a bridge between developers and stakeholders.
Software project managers are increasingly turning to Scrum and other agile practices to get good results from their teams.
QA Manager, Quality Assurance Manager. a job title whose responsibilities include ensuring appropriate performance for a software project and organizing and instructing testers.
The QA manager organized a massive usability test to try to squash bugs before the software's release date.
Software developer, a position responsible for gathering information around a programming task and performing it.
Software developers often specialize in a specific software framework or paradigm, such as Java applications, Python, or CSS.
Software tester, a job title whose responsibilities include ensuring that a software project meets established quality guidelines.
The software tester spent all day documenting a nasty bug in the ERP software.
Technical writer, a position responsible for the creation and maintenance of documentation relating to an IT project, including online help, user guides, white papers, and design specifications.
The technical writer wanted to write novels when she was young, but now she is documenting accounting software applications for IBM.